After exercise 2b, our next topic is addition of rational numbers. So in this addition of rational numbers, we are having two types. The first one is when the denominator is same, and second is when the denominator is different. When the denominator is same is question number 1 of exercise 2c, and when the denominator is different, the questions are of question number 2 from exercise 2c. So the first exercise 2c, question number 1. The first question is 7 by 5 and 2 by 5. Addition is given. As you can see, 7 by 5 and 2 by 5. Denominator is 5 and 5. Both are same. So 7 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Denominator is same. So you can write only 5 here. Now 7 plus 2. So your required answer 7 plus 2, 9 upon 5. So this is the first type when the denominator is same. Okay. One more question from question number 1. Question number 1. 4 by minus 15 and minus 7 upon minus 15. So first we have to change this in the standard form. So standard form is like minus 4 upon 15 plus, now this negative and negative we are having here, minus 7 upon minus 15. So this minus and minus get cancelled. So we are having here minus 4 upon 15 plus 17 upon 15. Now the denominator is same here, so write only 15, and in numerator minus 4 plus 17. Okay, now minus and plus minus, but here we are having minus 4 and plus 17. So subtract 4 from 17, you will get 13. So plus 13 upon 15 is required answer. Okay, so question number 1 now you can solve. Then question number 2, again addition is there, but in this question second type we are having denominator is different. So the first is minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. So in this question, as you can see, the denominator is different. So how we can solve this? To solve this, first we have to see what we are having in denominator. So in denominator we are having 5 and 7. So you need to find LCM of 5 and 7. 5 1 ja 5, then remaining 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 ja 7. So 5 into 7. 5 7 ja 35. 5 7 ja 35. Okay. So now minus 2 by 5 into what we have to multiply in minus 2 by 5. So we get 35 in denominator. So in this denominator 5 we are having here, and what we should multiply in 5 to get 35. So that is 7. So 7 upon 7. So minus 14 upon 35. यहाँ पे LCM 35 आया है, तो माइनस 2 बाई 5 को पहले सिलेक्ट करेंगे. माइनस 2 बाई 5 में डिनोमिनेटर 5 है. अब 5 में ऐसा आप क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि आपको 35 मिले, तो आप 7 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. तो अगर आप 5 में 7 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ऊपर भी आपको 7 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? देन नेक्स्ट इज 3 बाई 7. डिनोमिनेटर इज 7 and 35 is a multiple of 7. You know very well 7 5 is 35, so 5 by 5. From here we are getting 5 3 is 15, 7 5 is 35. Now addition is there, so we have to write minus 14 by 35 plus 15 by 35. So denominator is same now, so write only 35. Minus 14 plus 15, minus plus minus, but value, positive value is bigger here, 15. So 15 minus 14, you know very well, plus 1. So plus 1 upon 35. This is your required answer. So this is second question, second type. So this was the first approach to calculate by LCM. I will show you one more approach. So now I am solving here question number 5th. Minus 7 by 24 and minus 5 by 48. So the first LCM that we have to find here. Okay. So again 2, 6 ja, then 12, then again 2, 3 ja and 6, again 2, 3 and 3, last one is 3, 1, 1. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. So first we have to write minus 7 by 24 plus minus 5 by 48. Now minus 7 by 24 plus minus, we have to remove this bracket. So plus minus minus, so minus 5 by 48. Now our LCM is 48 here. LCM is 48. So 48 is multiple of 24. Okay, 24 2 ja 48. That means we will multiply minus 7 by 2 minus 5. 48 is a multiple of itself. 48 1 ja 48. So 5 into 1 whole upon 48. So minus 7 into 2, that is minus 14, and minus 5 into 1 minus 5, 48. Minus minus plus, so minus 14 minus 5 minus 19. So minus 19 upon 48. This is your required answer. So you can use also this approach, and if you want to continue by the previous one, you can, no problem. Okay. So this one is the second question, addition. Clear? Now question number 3 and question number 4 is evaluate, in which you will have positive and negative sign both. Okay, I will explain you one question from question number 3 and 4, then you can solve the remaining questions.